We do have the chance to see an isolated shower or two later on today, but we are starting your Friday morning off in the first day of December with mostly clear skies and pretty calm conditions. Now, we do still have some breezy northwesterly winds out there, so if you're heading out the door, there is a little bite to the air this morning. We are seeing temperatures only in those 40s across the area and 30s in those valleys, so it is a chilly start to your day, and we're going to struggle to warm up as we head into the afternoon with temperatures only in those upper 50s to low 60s. With that said, low 60s, that's about average or where we should be for this time of year. Cold air mass still in place here. We still have that activity to the north of us. That does have the chance to kind of dip down into our area overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. It will bring us some clouds as we head into the evening hours, clouds through the overnight hours, which means we are going to see warmer overnight lows tomorrow morning, and then we do have the chance to see an isolated shower or two through the overnight hours. As far as today, it's looking pretty nice throughout the day today. We're going to start the day off sunny and dry, but again, we'll have that moisture in the air. We'll start to see some of those clouds, those low clouds developing in some of those higher elevations as well. Little change though as we head out of the weekend. Look at this ridge of high pressure taking control as we head into early next week. That means warmer temperatures, drier conditions, and sunnier conditions as well. In fact, as we head into Tuesday, we are going to see temperatures well above average for this time of year, with 70s returning from the coast to our inland locations. And then we do have yet another change as we head into midweek. We're watching this next system here. It does look like it might clip our area. Of course, we'll continue to track that for you. And if it does, we again have the chance to maybe see an isolated shower or two Thursday into Friday. But again, we'll continue to watch that for you. Next weekend, actually looking a bit more active. Today, we are still going to continue to see those northwest winds. They will pick up as we head into lunchtime, though they won't be as strong as yesterday afternoon. Still, we're going to see winds anywhere between that 10 to 15 mile per hour range, with gusts anywhere between 20 to 25 miles per hour. The better chance of seeing those gusty conditions going to be on the southern portion of the bay, the Monterey Peninsula along the Big Sur coast. Some of our valleys like the Salinas Valley will see those winds be a bit gusty at times this afternoon. And then our higher elevations, our peaks and our ridges, that's where we're going to see some of the stronger winds. They will die down though as we head into the overnight hours, and tomorrow actually winds looking quite a bit calmer compared to what we've been seeing over the last few days. Here's a look at what we're seeing. Let's just pretend we can erase these clouds right now because we are waking up to mostly clear conditions. We're going to continue to see those clear conditions as we head into lunchtime. Again though, we still have some moisture in the atmosphere, so we are going to see some of these clouds developing in some of our hills. Other than that, most of us will remain on the sunny side, and then those clouds will move in as we head into that midnight hour, becoming a bit thicker overnight, and that's when we have the chance to see an isolated shower or two around our area overnight into tomorrow morning. It is just going to be that, an isolated shower. We have the chance of that on the northern portion of our viewing area in Santa Cruz tomorrow afternoon, but most of us are actually going to see mostly sunny conditions again tomorrow afternoon before these disturbances actually move out of our area. Ridge of high pressure moves back in. Temperatures for you this afternoon, again, it is going to be a bit cool out there, north side of the bay, only in those low 60s. We'll be in those upper 50s for the San Lorenzo Valley, and only in those mid 50s for those higher elevations. You can expect more of the same across the region. We're only going to be in those low 60s at the coast, only low 60s for those inland locations as well. So not much change, for example, going from Marina into Hollister. For the Monterey Peninsula, you can expect temperatures to be a little bit cooler around Pacific Grove and Pebble, especially with those gusty northwesterly winds. Temperatures only in those upper 50s to low 60s, and most of our interior locations, the valleys here, sitting in those low 60s. We'll see low 60s for the Big Sur coast and upper 50s for Carmel Valley.